In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was an error when communicating with Roblox server error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So whether you are trying to access Roblox through a web browser or Roblox desktop app and you are encountering this and you have tried several times and nothing seems to work, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. If you try to refresh the page, most likely this will fix your problem. And once you have closed your app, if you are on the app, and now when you open your Roblox, you should now have no problem. However, if when you open you still get an error, you can't log in, or you get this error code, then it's time to take further steps to fix this. Most likely you are told this game is already running. If you just quit the game, it should be ready to launch again. So just click on OK and see if you launch again, things will work. As you can see now, if I launch again, now everything will load and everything should work. But should you still experience this challenge, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. The first thing, you need to go ahead and restart your computer to see if this fixes your problem. In most cases, that should be able to fix your problem. However, if you're on a browser, then it's time to troubleshoot your browser. To troubleshoot your browser, just go to this ellipsis if you're on Google Chrome like me, and then go to settings. From settings, look for privacy and security option, and under it, go to delete browsing data. Select the period you wish to delete and check all these boxes. Then confirm by clicking on delete. Once you're done, now close all the browser and restart your computer. And now if you log into your Roblox account, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.